today with a new video. And in this video today I want to discuss something about how to speak English easily. So is when we'll be learning English, and the process of learning is something sometimes it's feels like tough. So it is one of thing, and basically in this video today I will discuss about this, that how can you speak English easily. So something here I will paste some point and you will just have to follow that, and I think by following that you will get better at speaking. And so let's start. So the first, our number one is start with the basics. Maybe you are watching any movies, you're watching TVs, and sometime you'll be reading any word book, dictionary, and anything which you are doing in your home. And maybe it's maybe you are talking with your friends. So you have to start with the basic. Example, we will take uh, a word book. So you will read the word book by word, and you at first you have to learn the basic thing. So don't jump to the advanced. So at first you have to start with a basic level. Maybe it's a writing thing, and it's listening something and watching movies, anything. So start with the basic. And the second thing is that practice daily. So this thing that when you will practice, so you'll be get better by day to day. So the one thing is that when you practice every day, so the words which you are doing is being practicing, it will be get better at day by day. So the practice thing is at some people says that the practice makes man perfect. So I believe too that when you will practice something, so you'll be get perfect by this. So believe this, that you will practice every day and every time, so your English speaking will be good. So our third point is listening English content. So it's not for only that you will listen something, but you can watch movies. So it may be English content, as sometimes it's happened there when we have no environment like the English speaker. And so the thing is that what can I do that when we have no environment like that. So the thing is that you can watch movies, you can listening some podcast which is in English. So start English content to listening every day. So our four point is, if you are a reader and if you are passionate about reading, then you have the right choice. And so the thing is that when you read something, so read aloud. Maybe you are reading a story, so you have to read that aloud. And if you're a accent lover, then it's better with that. When you read something, so you will read like an accent. Maybe the first when you'll be trying something, so the problem will be because at that moment you have no idea how to pronounce that. So that's why maybe at first when you'll be trying, so maybe there will be problem. But after practicing daily, then you will get better at it. So yeah, 4 number already complete. So 5 number using daily. So the thing is that when you use something daily, like maybe you have developing your habit. So when you will do it one day, so one day it is not enough, because only being one day nothing will happen. So you have to do every day and every single day. So here the thing is that if you use your content, suppose you will reading a book, so the story you already read, so if you share with someone, then that will again you recognize that words. So the thing is there, when you learning English and you are learning some words by maybe your word book or like a dictionary, so you have to use this. So the thing is that you have to utilize this in your life, then you can speak English easily. So when you will be learning something, and don't think that it's tough thing and I can't learn. But you have to think like, yeah, it's easy and I can say, I can speak English, no problem. So this mindset you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So last number 6 is get feedback. So this is one of thing that when you'll be speaking something in front of your friends, in front of your teachers, in front of your family members. So the most thing is that when you get feedback from them, so that is one of the benefit thing when you will be doing something, or like you are speaking English. So basically what happens is when we'll be speaking something or doing something, so when some people, maybe there are friends, maybe there are family members, teachers, when they will tell us something that you are doing wrong, you are making mistake here, so we get frustrated in our mind, that we think that it's very tough thing and I can't learn. So this mindset you have to cut her up. So only keep on thinking that I will get feedback. It's a good way to improve my English. So don't hesitate and don't nervous when you'll be speaking with someone, and you don't think that if I will speak this, then maybe the person who is listening my English word, maybe she or he will be say me that you are making mistake. Yeah, it's good if you're making mistake, then by doing mistake you can get perfect after that. So that is one thing that if you doing wrong, no problem, because everyone who are trying to do something in their life, they're making mistake at first and then they doing this thing perfect. So that's why get feedback from friends. Maybe if you are thinking and you have some kind of English speakers friend, then it's good when you will be speaking with someone, or maybe with your friends. So you ask your friend that you are speaking something, and is it correct and making mistake. If making mistake, then tell him that where you are making the words pronounced wrong, so she and he will correct you. So that's the one thing that you when you get feedback from someone, then you will be correct after that, and by doing every day you will get perfected English. So maybe this thing which I have just uh, described in this video, maybe this is not easy thing, but I believe that if you will do it, then one day this will happen in real life. So don't think that nothing will be, but everything is possible. But possible then when will be versatile in this thing. So I hope guys you have all understand. And one thing that keep practicing, and as people says that practice makes a man perfect, so I believe it, that you have to practice in your daily life. So by practicing you will be get better at this English speaking skill. So here I'm concluding my video, and if you are like this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And by supporting, I will upload more videos afterwards. But when you will subscribe my channel, so I will get motivated. So that's why I think that you think helpful for this video. And if yes, then really please subscribe my channel, and let's grow together.